Out of all the 10 hair directions that we offer, freestyle has indisputably been the very most popular and favored one, given how accommodating and flexible it is for customers. Because the hair can be styled into almost any hairstyle you would like with this option. So if you're really not sure about which of the options best fits you, freestyle will be the one to go for by all means. For hair directions that come with visible partings, we have left parting, right parting, and center parting. These three options are comparatively more popular among the older generations, as opposed to left break and right break that are preferred by younger ones with their indefinite and invisible partings covered with hair. In addition to partings, we also have 3 options coming with crowns instead, to meet the needs of those who innately have a pronounced crowns on their heads, which are left crown, right crown, and center crown respectively. For another, if you only want a slightly pronounced parting, they would be something give a thought to. Lastly, we have a flat back as the most special option, because it is only suitable for those who wish for a hairstyle with all the hair slicked straight back to present a very sharp and brisk look.